Imagine your home smelling like a scene straight out of Selling Sunset or $1 Million Listing. Glamorous, refreshing, and oh so luxe. Or how about walking into a New York mansion with Ryan Serhant and thinking, wow, I could live here. But also, how do they make it smell this good? Well, I've got the secret. It's all about Grapefruit Essential Oil. This zesty, uplifting scent can turn your space into a luxury retreat. The kind of luxury real estate Josh Altman would seal a deal in. Welcome back to my channel where we elevate your home with simple, stunning, and fragrant hacks. Today we're giving your space that $1 Million Listing vibe with not one, but 3 DIY Grapefruit Essential Oil room sprays and 3 luxury diffuser blends to create the perfect ambiance. Whether you're staging a home or just want to feel like you're living the luxury lifestyle, these scents will bring fresh energy to any room. If you're into luxury homes, home decor, and binge real estate shows like Selling Sunset, this one's for you. Okay, let's talk about why grapefruit is the it scent of luxury. If you've ever walked into one of those sleek modern mansions on Selling Sunset or $1 Million Listing, you know they've got that fresh, clean, yet sophisticated vibe. Grapefruit Essential Oil captures that essence. It's vibrant, energizing, and instantly makes your home feel light, bright, and expensive, just like your favorite vlogs. Hey everyone, this is a tiny channel. Liking this video and subscribing really does make a difference. Consider it your good deed of the day. Also, if you love high heels but hate the pain, check the link in the description for 20% off Vivian Lew insoles. No lie, they're in every pair of heels I own. Now on with the show. Grapefruit Essential Oil isn't just about smelling good. It's known to help reduce stress, boost mood, and even purify the air. Sounds like the perfect scent for a luxury home tour, right? Let's get into our curated high-end room sprays and diffuser blends. First up, we have Sunset Lounge. Imagine the sophisticated vibe of a rooftop lounge in the Hollywood Hills at sunset, where the real estate investing deals go down. This spray is the perfect mix of refreshing grapefruit and relaxing jasmine, ideal for your living room or any open space. Ingredients: 70 ml distilled water, 20 ml of witch hazel or vodka, 4 ml grapefruit essential oil, 4 ml jasmine essential oil, 2 ml cedarwood essential oil. Use this to spritz your lounge area for that chill, luxurious end-of-day feel. Perfect for relaxing or entertaining guests. Estate Bliss is your go-to for creating a calm yet sophisticated atmosphere. Think of a spa retreat inside a Beverly Hills mansion. This room spray blends the brightness of grapefruit with calming chamomile and palo santo, ideal for a peaceful bedroom or bathroom vibe. Ingredients: 70 ml of distilled water, 20 ml of witch hazel or vodka, 4 ml of grapefruit essential oil, 3 ml of chamomile essential oil, 3 ml of palo santo essential oil. Spray this in your bedroom or bathroom to create a serene, upscale feel, perfect for unwinding after a long day. $1 Million Mist brings pure opulence into your home. It's a bold, invigorating mix of grapefruit, eucalyptus, and rosemary essential oils that will make your home office or entryway smell like it's ready for a high-stakes real estate deal. Ingredients: 70 ml of distilled water, 20 ml of witch hazel, 4 ml of grapefruit essential oil, 4 ml of eucalyptus essential oil, 2 ml of rosemary essential oil. This spray is perfect for areas where you need a fresh, energetic atmosphere, ideal for impressing guests as soon as they step in. Ready for the diffuser blends? Let's start the diffuser blends with Hollywood Hills Haven. This blend is all about creating that relaxed yet polished feeling, like walking through a glamorous home with sweeping city views. It combines grapefruit with soothing ylang-ylang and sandalwood for a soft, luxurious vibe. Blend recipe: 5 drops grapefruit essential oil, 3 drops ylang-ylang essential oil, 2 drops sandalwood essential oil. Pop this into your diffuser in any room where you want a calming, elegant feel. Ideal for living rooms and bedrooms. Open House Luxe is the scent of success. Perfect for your next home showing or when you want to wow guests. This blend combines grapefruit with crisp yuzu and grounding hinoki to create a fresh, inviting atmosphere, ideal for any open house or staging setup. Blend recipe: 5 drops grapefruit essential oil, 3 drops Yuzu Essential Oil, and 3 drops Hinoki Essential Oil. Diffuse this in the entryway or kitchen for that welcoming high-end scent that says, "This house is worth every penny." Finally, we have Penthouse Chic. This blend brings a modern, upscale scent that's perfect for your home office, living room, or any spot you want to feel sophisticated. With a mix of grapefruit, eucalyptus, and bergamot, it's bright, fresh, and energizing. Perfect for that million-dollar ambiance. Blend recipe 5 drops Grapefruit Essential Oil, 3 drops Eucalyptus Essential Oil, and 3 drops Bergamot Essential Oil. Diffuse this blend for a light, invigorating atmosphere, perfect for when you need to feel productive and luxurious. Now, we all know that real estate is all about the vibe, right? Josh Altman knows it, the Oppenheim Group knows it. You can bet your dream home that every high-end property is styled with scent as much as it is with furniture. Here's how to master the art of scent styling for your space. 1. Choose the right scent for each room. The living room is the heart of the home, so you want something light and welcoming, like our Hollywood Hills Haven blend. For the bedroom, go softer. Add a bit of vanilla or chamomile to your diffuser mix for a relaxing touch. 2 less is more. Remember, we're going for chic, not overpowering. You want your guests to notice how fresh and inviting your home smells without feeling like they've walked into a candle store. 3. Consistency is key. If you're prepping for a big event, or let's be real, a Netflix binge of Selling Sunset, keep that diffuser going. The subtle fragrance will set the tone and make your home feel like it's ready to host an exclusive VIP party. So there you have it. 3 room sprays and 3 diffuser blends that'll give your home that million-dollar mansion feel. From Hollywood Hills Haven to million-dollar mist, these scents will elevate your space to luxury real estate status. Whether you're staging a home or just creating a vibe for yourself, Grapefruit Essential Oil is your new go-to for that fresh, sophisticated ambiance. If you enjoyed this video, check out this one about lemongrass. Don't forget to hit that like button if you're ready to elevate your home with fresh Luxe scents, and subscribe for more tips on creating a home that feels just as glamorous as a million-dollar listing. See you next time, and remember, luxury living starts with a fresh-smelling home.